there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today we have a cute home over in the very popular community of Palmetto Trace on the west end of Panama City Beach. Very close to Pier Park and all the shopping and restaurants and
Grocery,
everything that you need. The concerts at the park.
Yes.
All the good stuff. Really close to Frank Brown as well. This is a great 3-2 with a 2-car garage.
Yep.
What did you love about this home, Heather?
So this home boasts that split floor plan that parents want. You also have, it's affordable to live in there. And what's so great is that open living space. That kitchen looks right out to the living. You've got tile in the living area. And what I love are some small details that this house has.
Nice. It really does open up the floor plan.
Yes.
And I also like the fact that Palmetto Trace has a very affordable HOA.
Yes.
So nice, beautiful community with sidewalks. You've got two pools.
Yes.
Two. And you're a short drive or a golf cart ride to the beach as well.
Absolutely.
So if you want to find out more about this 3-bedroom, 2-bath over in Palmetto Trace, great price point, just a little over $400,000, please give us a call.
So for more information on the details of the listing, look in the description below. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about this great family home.
And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss out on any future deals like this one.
Bye.